Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070141 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Delete anything inside the run field and then use this command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Copy it and then paste it and then click on OK and then click on next and it will start running the troubleshooter. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chk dsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Now the next solution is to try using a different USB port because there is quite a probability that there could be an issue with the USB port itself, and if it works then the last solution will be to update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager, and now expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hub and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. In a lot of systems there are a lot of USB root hubs. You will have to update each and every one of them in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.